Worried about where your loved ones are? Today, I'll show you how to track an iPhone's location directly from your Android device, giving you peace of mind and enhanced security. First, on the iPhone you want to track, open the Settings app, tap on the Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Next, select Family Sharing if you haven't already. You'll need to set up family sharing with the Apple ID you're using on the iPhone. To set this up, you can tap Add Member and follow the prompts to invite the person whose iPhone you want to track to your family. Make sure they accept the invitation. Now, navigate back to the main settings menu and scroll down to Privacy. Tap on Location Services, then find and tap Share My Location. Ensure the Share My Location toggle is switched on. Then, under Share With, confirm that the family member whose Android phone you will be using to track is listed. Now, switch over to your Android phone, open the Google Play Store and download the Google Find My Device app if you already have it installed. Make sure it's updated. Open the Google Find My Device app and sign in with the Google account that's associated with the email address of the Apple ID that the iPhone shared its location with. You might need to have the Apple ID login information to access this Google account. Once logged in, the app will display a map showing the location of all devices associated with that Google account, including the iPhone you configured earlier. You can now see its real-time location.